bring it on the runway. When you come back, bring it on the runway. Okay. Take a left turn now. I want you to do a right turn because you are in the habit of doing a left turn. You have to let it go straight away. Now do a right turn. Come back from there from the right side. Not on the right. I am telling you to do it because you have to come back from that side for landing. You need to practice that. Practice right side. Right side. Turn back, turn right. Don't pull up. Continue the turn. Continue the turn.
Oh.
Continue the turn. Get up. Okay. Okay. Turn now. Shot. You need to do another turn now. Again, go back and come on the runway. Just reducing the power a bit. Right turn. Right turn. Right turn. Make shorter circuits so you have more opportunities of practicing. Instead of spending time when it's there. Continue your turn. Come straight now. Don't. You're off the runway. Go left from there. Go left. You're going right. Go left from here. Go left from here. Go left. Continue going left.
No, where do you want me to go?
I told you to go left. You kept on going right. Okay, anyway, doesn't matter. Go right. Continue going straight. A bit of right check. Right pressure, now turn right. Continue turning right. Bring her in the center of the runway. Not low. The same height, but in the center of the runway. A bit of right. A bit of right. A bit of right. Level out now. Yeah. That's right. That's where you need to keep her.
When did it ring?
Continue the right. Continue the right.
It rang? It rang.
Continue.
Okay.
Bring it straight, straight, straight. No, you are off the runway. Every time you come back, you should be in the center of the runway. Continue the turn. 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 Straighten. More left. Now you again went loose.
That was loose.
Continue the left check. Yes. Left, left, left. Bring it back. Now bring it straight. A bit of down. That's it. Enough. A bit of left pressure. Left aileron. Left aileron. Because you see it's moving this side. Now go left. Go. You need to go left from here.
Okay, like that. Huh?
Yeah.
Can I do now? No.
Yeah. Go right. Go right now. Go right. Continue the turn. Bring it on the runway and you land. That's what I'm trying to make you land. Do exactly what I'm telling you. Turn the aircraft now. Turn the aircraft now. Turn the aircraft now. Don't sink. Bring her on the center of the runway. Still.
Not too much of a turn.
No.
Can land, can land.
Go right again. Go right again. Go right again. Make it short. Continue the right. Continue the right. Continue the right. Enough. Don't pull up. Don't pull up. Don't pull up. Right. 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 Don't sink. Don't sink. Don't pull up that much either. What you need is about 20 feet height when you come there and straight and level. Go again.
Any moment this plane's battery is
Go right.
gonna die.
Now go right. Let it sink a bit. Don't pull up. Continue the sink. You are going to land. Not dive. Not dive. Okay, give it. I'll get it back because your timing is up.
It's coming. It's coming down. It's coming down.
See what I did? Came here, I turned left. Leveled out. Again took a left turn.
Okay, that's what you wanted me to do.
Yeah. And okay.
Okay, one car's coming.
So that it's on the center of the runway.
Yeah.
Then I can. Okay, I'll go around.
Okay, go around and then come and correct
Yeah.
it here.
Instead of going a long circuit there,
Yes.
I'll take a right circuit which is shorter. And whatever it requires, it doesn't mean that you can only do this much or that much. Behind is clear?
He's
That's fine. Behind I asked. Don't worry. I'm asking behind, not in front of me.
It's okay. So the bikes are coming in, but they are like.